My husband, what is it?
Hey, Igbo will another more than me. Where wow could be now? I was only thinking. Thinking again. Thinking about what, Nai? Nai, do you want to kill yourself? The doctor said your blood pressure is very high. Yeah? Look at your mother. Look at me. Please stop thinking. Oh? Bikon. Oh, Bikon. So, why shouldn't I be worried? Eh? Come to think of it, I've been reduced to a laborer, working in people's farm to survive. Eh? I am worried. 5 years without heard from my son. If he's dead, we don't know. If he's alive, we don't know. Eh? I am worried. Because Nifu wanagabiga echebu no wege nifu wanagabiga. My husband, Dim, echebu no wege biko nifu wanagabiga. Stop thinking. Like I said, do you want to kill yourself? What is possible? Oh? Okay. Better still, let us send a message to our son, to that person that sent this message. Because maybe he will not reply. Oh. If you go with another more, it's all right. We will do that. Is what him. Well, I can't go teach at the very chill. Is the lady.
You see that palm tree there? Yes, that one, that very one. That is where the land ends.
Nah, that land is big, but the price you mentioned is too much.
My brother, you know the cost of land is high these days. I'm just selling it cheap for you.
Hey! Dikeh! Why have you brought a stranger in my land? What are you doing here with a stranger, Dikeh? Eh? I've told you I will pay you soon. I send messages on this issue to my son in America. Once he sends money, I'll pay you back your money.
Baby, I stop all this grammar. For the past 2 years, I've been hearing, I will pay you, I will pay you, I will pay you. Pay me and forget all for you, forget the land.
Very soon I'll pay you your money. The money hasn't come from my son. If it comes, I pay you. Don't bring strangers on this land, please. It's my own.
Mazi, who is this man?
Leave this man alone. Let's go. Whenever you are ready, come and pay for the land.
I am the owner. I am the owner. Don't enter into trouble, people. Please, don't be dragged to this point again. It's somebody's land. Don't enter trouble, please. Eh? Where will you come now? Dikeh, I warned you. Don't come here again. I'll give you your money very soon. Dikeh, don't bring anybody here again. I'll pay you your money. Let me not see you here with a stranger again. Don't come here. Hey!
Mika, since we came out here, I've been looking at you. You've been crying. And the Michael I know is not emotional. What is going on? Can you
cannot. I had a dream last night. In that dream, I saw my father paralyzed. In fact, almost dead. In that same dream, I saw my mother disabled. When she saw me, she was relieved. The last word she said to my father was that, behold our Messiah. Then I woke up. That thinking I'm in overseas. See, but God will punish that useless travel agency man. God will punish him.
Miguel, you know we live in a public yard. We still tell everybody we were duped. Everybody that we were duped. We're in a public yard now. Huh?
It will never be well with him and his family.
Miguel, I understand how you feel. Meanwhile, what you had was just a dream, which could be as a result of either typhoid or very serious malaria. No, I'm not trying to say you have typhoid or malaria, but I'm just trying to be realistic. You are not the only person that was duped. I was duped too. And even the money that man siphoned from me is bigger than yours. By now I should have been in the village, but I refuse to go back to the village. My parents, they also think that I've gone to Obodo Igbo. But I've not gone, we are still here. We will not give up.
Guy, it's not about some popcorn ever. I don't know what to do.
So each and each year about more popcorn.
This man they go and pet all.
Each and each chombo give us a trouser, and then I'll start going about like a madman. Then you will understand that Nisi na one popcorn. Relax, everything will be fine. Once there is life, there is hope. We'll figure something out. Yeah? We'll figure something out. Just relax.
This man I pet ogum now. This man I pet ogum.
We are back again, we are pumping it up. Yeah, Rastafari. Boom. You're done now. We're sharing dollars, we're spending dollars like so we just spending naira. Oh. We're spending dollars. We spend the dollars everywhere we go. We're back in town again. Boom. Yeah, man. We are back again, we are pumping up. Yeah, Rastafari. You're done now. We're sharing dollars, we're spending dollars like so we just spending naira. Oh. We're spending dollars. We spend the dollars everywhere we go. We're back in town again.
this Nigeria is fucked. Bongo, I mean, the weather here is something else. You know, we don't do this shit way back in Babylon. You know what? I need some drink. I need to drink.
I will dance. Come in.
Bro, sorry sir, you sent for me.
I want to change on dollars. Where can I change on dollars?
Don't worry sir, I'll make it fire.
Take.
I should take.
Take.
I should take this one.
Take.
You mean this one is
Take.
no, my own?
Take. Oh, Clark.
Thank you sir. Thank you sir. What is it? Ever since I showed you this morning, you have been looking at me somehow.
Michael. In fact, Michael. How many times did I call you now?
My grandfather. How many times did he call me?
See, I love my job. I love my job. I don't play with this security job. You know the condition of things in this country. If I lose this job, I don't know when I'll get another job. A bird at hand is worth 2 million in the bush. I love my job.
And me, I also love my job.
You don't love your job. See, Michael, you don't love your job at all. Because if you do, you will know that stealing from a guest in a hotel could land you to jail after sacking you from the hotel. Yes.
Are you trying to call me a thief?
What do you mean? Somebody that came home with $100,000 and you are telling me that a guest gave you that money. Who are you even talking to? Do you think I'm a kid? Do you know what it means for a guest to give you $100? $100 is 15,000, 16,000 naira. How much is your salary? How much is your salary?
So you cannot wait. Now you are calling me a thief.
Yes, now you're a thief. See, I've not said you're a thief, but I'm suspecting something. You're making me to believe you're a thief. Me, I can't stay with a thief in the house. I can't stay with a thief in the house. If I find out you stole this money, I will eject you from this house. I'll just give you straight quick notice. I've told you.
My wife, the confusion is so bad that if you ask me, now who I will ask?
Bro, Fetch or no, I tackle. I will tanko.
Hey!
Man, I am a tackle.
So we have to continue to manage the confusion until things get better.
Okay. Nice. Good evening, sir. No, good evening.
You're welcome. Abisa, who are you and where are you from?
Nice. I'm from Unjobo. From the family of Oyinacho.
Okay. I know the family. I know. Is there any problem?
No. Everything is okay, but I brought a message from your son.
Huh?
Yes, no.
Our son?
What did you just say? From our son?
Yeah. How did you reach him? How did he reach you?
No, he called me with an unknown number. And he said that... Yes, and he said that things are not well with him over there, but he's managing.
Okay. He's managing?
Yes. Oh. And he also said that he will soon be back.
Hey.
He will come back. Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Our son, why don't we give you cola?
We have granite. No, don't worry. Nice. I have to start going now. You know it's late. Hold on the time.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh?
Yes, sir. Hey. Thank you. Thank you.
As far as I'm concerned, this is it's good news. Hey! This must have happened. Oh, good another more, Godamu. Where wow, Cocobiocum now? Mananche Kuba, they go Cocobiocum, okay, which
I told you that there is something about the briefcase in that guy's room.
Mikel, what is wrong with you? Briefcase is briefcase. What is so special about this briefcase that you've been stressing about it? What is it?
He asked me if I knew where he can change dollars.
Come, Mikel, are you a megad? If he wants to change dollars, let him go to Onitsha. Or let him look for all these aboki that change dollars. Did you change? And why are you even telling me about dollars? Why?
Yeah. Do you know how much you have suffered? Do you like staying at the gate man's post? Come, this is the right opportunity we have been waiting for.
Wait. Opportunity to do what? No, tell me, opportunity to do what, Mikel? Hold on, Mikel. Don't tell me what I'm thinking is what you are suggesting.
We are back again, we are pumping it up. Yeah, Rastafari. You're done now. We're shutting down.
I guess in room 102 says you need a new bed sheet.
I told you, girl, yeah, minutes. Hey, ego, check it.
I told you that one day we are going to overcome poverty. I told you now. Poverty, good days, is in the way. Why are you quarreling with the boss now? What are we going to do? See, staying here is very risky. We don't even know if they put this thing here, tracker. Because if there is tracker, this will be treasure for you. So for us to be sure of success, we need to live here. We need to live right now.
No, Emeka. Check the one at your back. No, not that one is not right. Now check the other one.
See, maybe say if I dey here the blog you go to chop. Everything we don't plug here don't chop and they don't make a plug the one we right.
You see me chop anyone? I don't chop anyone. See the one where they show you for your back. Plug.
They come down.
What am I doing? Listen, they show you something. Come down now. At times you could just do unnecessary stubborn. And they show you something where they your back. Where is it? And they show you something where they your back. You just say make it
I know see am. I say I no go plug it.
Come there this side.
I dey plug and you dey here.
Wait till you want plug. Wait in a shop. And they show you something. You just and they force you.
I no go plug again.
Make we there now.
I no go plug again.
Person they show you something where they for back. You just they open eyes. Make we there now. You don't see me chop anyone.
I go plug again.
There this side. There like this. Person Mikel! Mikel!
Hey! Slow down.
Bros, well done.
Hey,
Mikel! What happened now? 5 solid years, nobody heard from you. What happened?
Guy, it's a long story. It's a long story, my guy.
Mikel, Emeka, this is my friend, my childhood friend. His name is Michael, but we call him Mikel. Yes, he traveled for a long time ago. Mikel, he's my friend Emeka. Yes. Mikel.
I know. So, where are you guys heading to?
No, we are actually rushing to the community to take our own portion of the land that was shared yesterday. Yes. But Emeka, join him. Let me rush to Mazi Zobi's compound and tell your father that Mikel, his son, is back. Yes, enter, join him. Yes, join him.
Michael,
this is me, your son.
Michael, this is you.
Mommy, Friday go. Mama,
Michael.
Over there, Delugo.
Michael, yeah, no. Nah.
Mama.
Who are these people?
Mama, you know this one?
I'm Monyeka.
Now, this guy is a player. Oh, Williams. When I'm taking a ball, why you throw it? Yeah, this is my driver.
You will go to the driver?
Yes.
No.
Hey! Mama, if I
Michael,
Mama,
Michael, no.
Mama, this is your son's car. Mama, yeah,
are you telling me the truth?
Yeah, one of my cars.
Hey! Chineke Bekino! Hey! Chineke mo! Chineke Nkigwe! Ewa! Kai baba nno na kana na ebe ntosala akwa mo. Hey! Mike nwa. Nna. Ya ko. Na kwa na anya.
Baba!
Hey! Baba na Mike nwa ya na tago. Mike nwa ya na tago. Oh na tago.
Is this true?
Anatago. Oh, Batago.
He came home with this. He came home with this. Hey! Michael!
Hey!
This belongs to you. This is your own.
Yes.
Huh? Bien, mama. Bien, Hey! Oh, Coco, Bio, come. Well, now. They were going to
Hey! Who are these people with you?
Papa, this is William. He's a player.
Okay. William?
Yeah.
Is he a Nigerian?
No, but he's not a Nigerian.
That's not in Cameroon.
No wonder he carries tattoo all over. Okay. You're welcome.
Papa, this is my driver.
Your driver?
Yes.
You have a driver?
Yeah.
You have a driver already? You don't drive?
No, God, go for the money, Fatty. Go.
Yes. Imagine no go see the effect. I like it.
I'm going to go get a ball.
Man, I ain't can. I ain't go buy.
One day,
No.
Immediate. Dalun.
Let's go.
Okay.
No, you don't have to go. Let's go in. Take something. Today is a very big day.
No, Papa. Let me go and tell my friends that I'll go get. Yes, Papa.
Why is the battle no kun leave
I'm with
Mikel, all this for me?
Emeka.
Egigwe.
For you.
Bros, thank you.
I had run on. Man, I'm a shy. None of that. It's a buyer.
So, Papa, how have you and Mama been faring?
Do you have seen us? I ain't talking about big as I. Hey! My happiness today is that the shame has been wiped off my face. That's all. Otherwise, we were worried. You tell me, what actually happened?
I was caught by the American immigration authorities. Eventually, I was jailed. There was no means of communication.
Oh, go on, Apple Morgan, don't worry. Where Bob could be now?
On your beef, man.
Oh,
Mama, now.
Eh? So you mean you were not receiving any of our messages?
I was in jail.
Oh, go on, Apple Morgan, don't worry. Where Bob could be now?
No.
Okay. Now you are back. What are your plans?
Well, Papa, I want to build a befitting house for you and Mama. Yes. Secondly, I want to take a wife.
How? If I know nature. No.
Thirdly, I want to take 15 boys and 15 girls back to the States.
Back to where? Back to Ebe?
Back to Enga.
God forbid. Where you went to for good 5 years and I did not see you. Mama,
that's because I was jail.
What if they jail you again?
No, Mama. My papers are not complete. Besides, my football team expects me back.
What did you say now? 15 boys, 15 girls. Back to America.
Yes, Papa.
About Oginga. For another jail term for each of them?
Yes, Papa. I started playing football. As a matter of fact, my team needs more players. So I intend to train and recruit some boys from this village.
Football team?
Yeah.
How does it work?
See, Papa, see how it works. If I secure a team for them, I'll be receiving their salaries till the money spent on them is spread completely.
Can you find out Kodako? Now, I'm one so good.
15 boys, 15 girls. How do you pay for their flight ticket? Getting their papers and all that? Hey! So when trouble comes, the whole community will come and roast us alive?
Nine, it's not God who will do it. My problem is not whether God will do it or not. My problem is you taking 15 boys, 15 girls. Okay, some wife will get a email. It was the whole function in a jail. Where do you someone and I? Where's the weekend? Or drop possible?
Mama,
Nobody's going to jail. Who will not get jail? Huh? The papers will be complete.
No, no, me cheer because in Kijalaja in Natagi. I don't know jail in Ryoga.
Mama Mike, I'm hungry, please. Get me food.
Oh, for no, I'll get you food in 9. But tell this boy, he's not going to leave my side again. I want you to get married and give us grandchildren. We are not getting any younger, Pico. We are not young anymore. So after saying I will not but now you're Satonia. Let's pray for that. I ain't I'll give you grandchildren. Oh, I will back and keep Akalayasa. Anyasa, Akalanyasa.
Ah, we need the children.
Yes.
So if you get jailed again, we rely on the children as replacements for you. What the one?
Akalanyasa. I'm a baby jackal. You must give me grandchildren. I want to give you a ball. Oh, come on, mother. I will call us. I get to see a man.
Keke.
Oliako. How are you?
Now you Keke. Give back the line also no I hope all is well.
All is well. What are your children?
They are all fine now.
And your husband?
They are all fine.
Okay.
9.
Dikocha? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Dikocha?
I was hearing voices, but I was very busy in my van inside to see who it was.
You know him?
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
My son. He came back from America. It was because of him I borrowed money from you. Make it possible for him to go to America. Now he's back.
He's not a big boy now. My son, you are welcome. You are welcome. I heard you came yesterday, but I was very busy in my farm. When I returned, I was so tired.
As you can see, America is reaching all over here.
Please, let's go in. Let's go in.
We want to be brief. Straight to the point. You know I borrowed money from you, and in that interim, there was no element of bad blood. But as God wanted it, today is a day to celebrate. I have come with that money. One more. You can go, Mike. Like I go see them Chukwanye do things the proper way. God. All right. You want to go see them. Onye ndidi yeah. I'm thanking you for your wonderful patience. Dikeh. Look at the money I borrowed from you. If you want to count it, but your trust is complete.
No problem.
Well, we were coming, we forgot to buy wine.
You don't need the money. You don't need to bother for the wine.
No. This money I'm giving you now, we're buying 10 cartons of wine. You don't need
that. Mazi, what are king's men for? Now that you paid the money, now the land is all yours. You know, I only ginger you so that you can pay off that time.
See, but today, I thank you. Thank you for your patience. We'll be on our way. Oliako, please go and enjoy with your wife.
enu akwa etiti ndị eri becha ụzọ na-eme tụmara nke a na-atọ akwa eme ebe dị ego abịa. Enjoy with your husband, huh? Yes, I'm let's go. Hey.
So these people finally brought this money back. Anu banata, echibunda. Don't worry, I must get you.
Nine. Do you know that I played and played? These people realized that I'm better than some of their players. They had no choice but to recruit me.
Oh, Michael Obai. Hey!
When we were back on Maria, say, hey, then we're gonna check. Do you know how much they pay me every week?
How much?
I go on the if we find our home now, for the room we keep it.
Well, for that, I think.
$1,000.
Hey! Dollar. Hey!
That's why I'm back.
No. Oh!
I've been doing it for other people. Why can't I do it for my own people?
Oh! Michael Obai.
You know the latest now. We're not trying about the latest. The team I'm playing for wants to recruit new boys and new girls.
That's what I'm for you.
And I said they must recruit it from this village. No one personally to this village.
Yes, my people. If you guys play with your style, I'm going to make you wish, okay?
Michael,
William Sia is a player. We play for the same club. We play for Chelsea.
Come on.
Oh, talk about the devil. The travel agency guy that's helping me at the embassy. Hello, Mr. Osei. How are you? Okay, you're fine. Me too, I'm very fine. I'm okay. So how are you doing? Oh, you were able to secure 25 travel spaces for me. Thank you, man. But wait, I told you I needed like 40. Okay, no problem. Don't worry, if I come back, I'll see you. Mr. Osei. You are the man. Don't worry, I'll see you when I come back. Yes, the travel agency guy that's helping me at the embassy. I want to know if you guys are interested. So you guys are interested?
Anyhow, Michael, please, can we invite some of our friends who are not here?
Of course! You can tell your friends to tell their friends. Yes, everybody is allowed. And you can have 10% from each person you bring. Maybe from there, you can complete yours. Hello. Hey, my guy. I'm gonna say you could, oh. Guy, I don't say the idea give them. There are about 5 boys in my 8th grade. And
and then you help me do the advance.
You know?
Yes.
Get him.
Guy, it was easy as ABC. Huh? We need to recruit for Chelsea junior team. One day, they even think I'm doing them a favor. I'm gonna chat them. What do they look for my pocket? Okay, my friend. Guy, to can I roll this one together? Huh? Oh, man. I had a bomb. If you're coming, see, bring Chelsea, Jesse, and Spigo, Jesse. Yes, Spigo and Chelsea, Jesse. And bring 50 forms. Don't forget to bring 50 forms. Now for you, why talking like this now? One man can do later consideration now. The later entry now. It was even all that kind of nacho. Only go kind of nacho. We forget to go with that. No, yawa. Okay now, I'm going to. Okay now. I don't want. No, yawa. I did. Okay. Mikel?
That's Mikel now. That's him. The Mikel that everybody knows. That's Mikel you're looking at.
Chai, why is he taking those guys too?
You're asking as if you don't know. You can see probably they are going to the field. Can't you see if he's going there with football?
Of this village, I welcome you all to the recruitment exercise of junior Chelsea team. You have to put in your best if you must be selected. Just like I told Amobi and some guys here, a registration fee of 50,000 naira will be paid and 300,000 naira. Which will be used for your travel expenses. If you are not among those selected, do not worry. Your money will be given back to you.
Well, sir, when are we expected to pay the money and when is the deadline for the registration?
The registration is on. But mind you, I have only 50 forms here for both male and female. As soon as you register, the training starts properly. By next week, the travel agency man will be here to inspect what we are doing. By then, it's expected you have paid your money. So as soon as he goes back, you start processing your papers.
Oh sir, Oga Mikel, who do we pay to? I mean the money, who are we supposed to pay the money to?
I'm over here, I will give you details. And also share Jesse's when next we meet.
I'm beginning to like it. What is wrong with you? Eh? So soon? Very good.
For now, let's call it a day.
Madam Ekwa kere Ekwa.
Mama. So fuka di na no nkwo wori kere me.
My guy, you don't understand. I'm not happy.
See, my guy, I will never let this opportunity pass me by. You see that abroad? I don't go finish.
My guy, make I ask you. How are we sure that this whole thing that this guy came up with is not 419? I've been thinking.
Which planet are you from? Are you from Jupiter, Uranus, Pluto? Where? See, let me tell you. An official from that traveling agency is coming to this community next week.
Are you serious?
Even Mikel Obi, our guy, has promised that anyone that is not selected, his money will be refunded back to him, and even get compensated. And you are here talking about 400.
Are you serious? That is the point. You and I know that we're jobless. We're buoyantless. I have no savings. How do I raise the money? That's the issue.
See,
how do I do it?
I'm not jobless. I'm with savings. And as for you, go to your father.
Don't even go there. You and I know that now. My father, Mpam, hates Mikel with passion, and you are telling me to go to my father. Don't even go there.
See, let me tell you. Your father, you're talking about hates Mikel, right? But don't forget that you are his first and only son. What we are talking about here is what rightfully belongs to you. You know that? Okay, now, you and I know that your father is one of the biggest landowners in this village.
That I know.
Not just in this village, the whole community. See, get hold of one of the documents. If he refuses to give you money, I'll help you get a buyer.
You are kidding. Tell me you're kidding. Wait, you will help me find a buyer?
Bam. See, let me tell you, by the time you travel, when you start making dollars, I mean real dollars, your father can buy as many land as he wants. Even building.
Hey, I thought this guy, I thought I'm saying your brain they work. Your brain they work. See, I've been thinking. This thing gave me sleepless nights. Okay. I've been thinking.
Let it not be that I am interrupting you.
Okay. Go ahead.
Please, which Mikel are you talking about?
Mikel will be now.
Mikel on the international.
Is he back?
Yo, you know Kwanoboda? He came back a couple of days ago. He even promised to take us, his guys, overseas.
Abroad?
Oh.
Thank you for telling me. I didn't know. I'm in this town. I didn't know. You enjoy your drink. Oh. Today's drink is very wonderful. No problem. Enjoy your palm wine.
Madam Ekwa kere Ekwa.
Thank God though. Thank God.
Madam Ekwa kere Ekwa.
Well done.
Ekwa international.
Enjoy yourself.
Ekwa kere Ekwa.
Anytime. Enjoy yourself.
Okay. Guy, I'm so excited. Tell me more. This guy, how is this? Tell me more.
So, but that is shit.
Arunne!
You called me.
Sit down. Obinna, can you repeat that what you just told me before your mother?
Mama, you know, I asked Papa to give me the sum of 300,000 naira.
300,000?
Yes, Mama.
Obinna, it's here making. What do you need all that money for?
Mama, you know, I want to travel to abroad to play football.
Abroad?
Yes, Mama.
Oh, no, you know, you said you want to travel abroad.
So, what of you planned it?
It will not work. You cannot extort money from me. And I will never spend a dime on that your useless ambition.
Nine. How can you call spending money on your son's future a waste? Nine.
Mama, have you seen it?
Nine.
You
must give him that money. You must give him that money.
You must give me that money. You must give me that money.
Why did you tell me first? Hey, Makalena, they can you go on one?
Mama, where did you get all these clothes from?
Do you like them?
Of course, Mama, I love them. But, Mama, are they yours?
My daughter, do you know what? Take.
No, Mama, you've been serious.
All yours. All of them. Take all of them.
You bought them for me. Hey! Hey! Hey!
I had the rap one over that. I had the rap one over that.
Hey! This one very well. Oh, you know what? Mama.
Okay.
You've not said why you bought this clothes for me. Name your price because I know you too well.
Hi! My daughter. You know me so well.
Of course, Mama, I'm your daughter.
Come. You know me, you're my only daughter. You're my only daughter, and I want the best for you. You are aware of Mikel's return in this village. Don't look at me like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, Mama.
I want you to do something for me. You know that boy? Hold him. Achomokelo banye that guy. I want you to hold him. Make him like you. And once you do that, leave the rest for your mother.
You don't know what happened to you.
Finally. See you again. Obiora. Obiora.
Abuchi and Ikechi. Abuchi and Ikechi.
Okay.
Why are both of you guys here this ceremony?
You're just coming from Miguel's house.
Yes, sir. You mean both of you?
We went to make our payments. Huh? Me and the Abuchi.
Serious? You can't just tell me you're joking.
Yeah, serious. Look at this guy.
Obiora, we have not just only registered. We just paid for our travel documents.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you.
I said he heard you.
You mean you have registered? Chimo, you mean I am the only one who is yet to... You mean I'm the only one who is yet to be registered? Abuchi and Ikechukwu, how do I get this money? How do I get this money?
So even Abuchi, Okechukwu have both paid. I will be the only person left in this village. Soon, they'll be traveling and leave me in this village all alone. Ah, Nkechi.
Even Nkechi that claims she's my lover, she's not helping out. Hi, Obonya Joka. Joka. What do I do now? What do I do? What do I do?
Does it mean the money develop wings and fly away? Hey! Ngene! Ogini na money. Your money. Hey! 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 Oh, kwa na aru. Asi no kwa aru. Oh, kwa aru.
People of this village, listen, the Ezemo from Gereshwan says that some of 500,000 was stolen from Gereshwan last night. Whoever that stole it has to return it before 28 market days or face the wrath of the gods. People of this village, listen, the Ezemo of Gereshwan says that someone stole 500,000 from Gereshwan last night. Whoever that stole it has to return it before 28 market days or face the wrath of the gods. Anyone that stole it has to return it before 28 market days or face the wrath of the gods. People of this village, listen, the Ezemo of Ngere Shrine says that some of 500,000 naira is missing from Ngere Shrine. Everyone that stole it, anyone that stole it, has to return it before 28 market days or face the wrath of the gods.
Wonders shall never end. How can a sane person steal from the shrine of all places?
I am sure that this theft had something to do with this ongoing football recruitment. And everything looks so fake to me.
Ifoma, say the one you know. Ifoma, say the one you know. As for me, I think I'm in love with Mikkel. Ifoma, why are you laughing?
Nothing, no.
I think you are very jealous of me. Because you are not as beautiful as I am. Watch me become Mrs. Mikkel.
My dear, don't be too sure. Don't be too sure.
Enemy of progress. I can see. Ifoma, you are leaving me. Ifoma. Ifoma, you are leaving me. Ifoma, you are leaving me.
Mama, I'm fine. Mama, is Michael at home?
Michael home?
Yes, Mama.
Or they come?
No, Mama. This is a fish pepper soup. I prepared it for him.
You did what?
Ma, I prepared it for him, ma.
Michael sorry. Did I and Michael told you that we are hungry? Did we say that?
No, Mama. It's just that I wanted.
You want to what? Please get out from here.
Mama.
Get out from here! I said get out from here!
Mama, please don't be angry. Is there anything I can help you to do? Like to wash your clothes or help you fetch some water?
No, darling, I'm female. Wash clothes for me. Fetch water. Go and do those things for your mother. I don't need them. Pico.
Mama, it's just that you don't understand.
Get out from here.
Mama, I want to help you.
I said get out from here. Can you imagine? When Michael was not here, none of them came to wash clothes for me. Now, Michael, Michael nwa m ga-anụ ezigbo nwa. Ezigbo nwa.
Oh. Dikeh.
I was on my way to your house.
I hope all is well.
Yes, all will be well. If that your lunatic son will leave my son and other village boys alone.
But you were just trying to help.
Help who? My family does not need the help of a richer family like yours. We have been better off. Ever since that your so-called son came back, strange things have been happening. Just the other day, someone stole from Ngene Shrine. And I believe it is connected with the idea your so-called son is selling to the villagers. Managenti can wagon. Asimboshi, Onyoriga Kwane, Ayachobangaji Furif. Don't say I did not warn you.
Dikeh, why are you trying to meet in this manner?
Eh? Hey! Ikuku ukula na ma ogodon gwa n'ukwu. Ikuku ukula awala ogodon gwa n'ukwu biko. Eh? Ikuku ukula na ma ogodon gwa n'ukwu. Okoko bi okon we gba na anwu. Eh? Okoko bi okon we gbosia na anwu. Hey! So my image has been so reduced that I'm worth nothing to these people? Ikuku ukulu. Ana ma ogodon gwa n'ukwu. Look at how they have reduced my image by bringing the comfort anything to them again. Of what's working? I will not let this life. I will not let this life use it. We're going to have
fellow elders, we've come to put our heads together, not to argue or tear ourselves apart.
Don't mind them.
How can a sad person steal from the shrine of Ngene? What is our community turning into? What?
I have said it that Miguel is a bad influence.
Confirm.
Yes. Ever since that boy came back, strange things have been happening.
Yes. Elders want him to know how to talk. Let him watch his language. If you dare call my son names again, I have a way of dealing with you.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, you shouldn't point fingers because the safety of this village and our children is our collective responsibility.
After all, we have recorded cases of rape, bullying and recklessness for the past couple of years.
Yeah, but never have we recorded that someone stole from Ngene Shrine.
It's all because of Miguel. And the lies he tells this boy that will take them abroad. But
okay, if you come back, let go. Don't work out on us.
Leave him and let him go. Leave him and let him go. Go and tell that criminal son of yours
Now you go again you one day. Eh? Wakuya! Come back. Leave him and let him go. Leave him and let him go. I'm not afraid to tell you.
Sit down. My son, you must have known that many negative things are going on in our community. And I have seen fingers pointing at you.
Pointing at me?
Yes. But they are saying that many of our youths are into misconduct, awkward situations, bad behavior because they want to join you to go back to America. What do you say to that?
Papa, they're saying rubbish. They're saying arrant nonsense.
Just sit there. Just hold it. My son, you have to tread with caution. Let me tell you, it takes years to build good reputation. But it can take you just 1 minute to get everything crashing. 1 minute. You've come back from America with good name. I want you to go back with the same good name. Don't get associated with people who are bad. Let there be no negative influences about you. Are you hearing me? Do you understand? Eh?
I'm ready, Papa.
Come, let's go back.
Lincoln? God!
And where do you think you're going?
Let me go and deal with those prostitutes. Can't you see the way they are hopping around Mikel like a horsefly?
Nkechi.
What?
Listen, let me advise you. You better remove your mind from this obsession of marrying Michael.
For what? Makagini? What is your problem?
Don't say I didn't tell you. Look at you. Just look at those girls. Their clothes. Their skin. You can't even dance city dance.
I can dance city
dance. You cannot.
I can dance it very well, more than them. Did you hear me? I can dance this dance they are dancing there more than them. Is it because they are dressing like all these prostitutes in the city? Is it because they are wearing all these short skirts and sleeveless like all those prostitutes in the city? I can do it. And listen, let me tell you, when Mikel married me, he will how did they speak? He will paint me. He will paint me very well. Buy me hair and those powder,
they put on the cheek.
pancake, and you will see that I'm more beautiful than those prostitutes you see there. Do you hear me? Yes. And let me tell you, don't you ever insult me again. What is your problem? Is it because I'm in this village? And what is wrong with my clothes? Are they not beautiful? What is your problem?
Look who is talking. Beautiful clothes. You can't compare your clothes with those clothes they are putting on. My dear, come, let's go.
Go away.
Keep dreaming, You better go back to that your boyfriend, Obiora, your sweetheart.
Obiora? God forbid. What is your problem? Instead of you to wish me where I am talking about Obiora. God forbid. Mikel is my husband. Whether you like it or not. I think I've been that day now.
Igbo na-akwa ekwo. Ekwo ka ekwo. Nwanne ya gwara nwa ya na-adọpụta m n'obodo a. Na ụga na ngwa na-adọpụta m n'obodo a.
Mika.
Onye ekwo.
No.
Oto ekwo.
So food God
get us fish pan wine. Pepper soup and fish.
Fish. I have only fresh pan wine for now. The fresh fish pepper soup and the goat meat pepper soup is still on the fire. They have a little patience. It will be okay.
Now wow. Don't worry, just have a little patience. It will be ready soon. Now wow.
Original pan wine.
Because
I don't want adulterated.
Eat.
Don't tell me.
Do
you know I was looking for it throughout my town? I couldn't find any it. Do you know the effect of it? After taking it, your libido will be multiplied. Madam, please get us it while we wait for the fresh. Bring.
Go and show him what you have, front and back. Won't you trust me? Don't fall my hand. Do it very well. I'm telling you now. Mama, I said don't worry. Mama, don't worry. Won't you trust your daughter again?
The magas, but I hope they are dropping.
Yes, one of them is I have an appointment with one of them in the next 30 minutes. Can take here to Stafford Bridge.
Good dating now. What of all these girls? I know by now they must have dated all of them.
Nah, come on, yeah. Let me go tell you if you want.
No, I'll be going to
one day.
Oh, I should not say concert. Hey, do it well, of course.
You know by now you should be planning.
Your drinks.
Hey! What am I referring to?
Awa! Apati bombo.
Ice. You will know if you are going to
hey! Apati bombo.
What is your name?
My name is Neka.
Hi, Asekwam.
Neka.
Do you know when I saw you? I wanted to call you Choma. I said no, it could be Norma. I said no, it could be Ifoma. I said it goes to Ijideka, Neka. Because once a girl is pretty, either the name ends with Ka or Oma. Nema.
Are you from this village?
Of course, my mother owns this bar.
Opas. How come I've never seen you around?
Mika.
She's my daughter. She doesn't live here. She lives in the city. You know, she's not a local.
Hey! I see. I follow me and Piano Diane. Come and sit down. How? I'm from what I can near.
Hi.
All the knock and near. Look at the big girl who will be. About to go make on a ball. Ugumana, but I may go $1,000 every week. If you want about that. So, go and get whatever you want, eh? Keep on doing me care. Huh? Go and get whatever you want.
I'm fine, okay? I don't feel like taking anything.
Negodi phone. Negodi phone. Negodi phone.
He's only getting gum. You not see me, you are fine.
Why? Let's just finish eating before you guys go here.
No, now it's not fair.
But then my wolf, Father, hi. I'm not like what I do. I'm only gum. When I see she's fine. Huh? How can you be fine when Mikel is here? I have a lot of money to spend. I have money in abundance.
Don't worry, next time, okay?
Hi! This girl is good. No, Bobo Clark. Bobo Clark.
I'm bringing it. It's ready. I'm putting it in the plate.
I don't even think I need the pepper. This is the best pepper soup.
Told you. Look at this one. Is it not beautiful? Oh, Canon on board now. Canon on board. Oh my God! See this one. Look at the design. You see it? It's going to look good on me, right? Now, I'm not finished. Just wait. Relax. You see this one? They're not beautiful. You see this one? They're beautiful, right? What? Please excuse me. What is that?
Nkechi.
What?
Hey, it's a lie.
What's a lie?
Where did you get all this from? I mean, all these clothes.
Well, Dikeh gave me money to buy them. What is it?
Let me take a look now.
Take a look of what? Huh?
Tell me.
What?
How did it happen?
He wants to know. Fine. He gave me the money to go for shopping. To look so good and charming for him. You know? I told you it's going to happen. What?
Oh. No, I
told you before, Uncle. He's mine. My share. Nobody can take me away.
Let me have a look at
not
it
even
now.
You. Please leave me alone. Beg.
Nkechina, it's not fair.
Wait, I'll be back.
Nkechi, it's not fair. I'm your friend.
Madam. Sorry. Sorry, bro.